So this is the Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum Pro by PAWHAUS. And everything that you see here is what you get in the box. Let me show you this tubing. It's very long. Oops. So this becomes very convenient for you when you're grooming your babies. Along with that, you get a filter and you get these 4 attachments for the vacuum. The first one here is a comb, and if you press this button, it adjusts the length of that comb. You also get a brush to get the excess fur cleaned out, and a de-shredding tool. And this also has an adjustment. And this is a cleaning tool, and this just has a narrow opening at the end. So let me show you the sound of the machine, because I know some fur babies are a little skittish. The power button's in the back, and it has 3 settings. So let me just turn it on. That's the first setting. The second setting. And the third setting. You also get the shaver, and it includes a cable USB port, and it already came charged. So I'll let you hear the noise of the shaver, and it comes in 2 settings. It's the first setting, and that's the second setting. It also comes with 4 combs, and the one thing I love about these combs is that it has all the numbers for the length of what you want. So this is a 1/2 inch. You get a 1/4 inch. You get 1/8 inch. And you get 3/8 inch. And of course you get like this, the protector. But this is it. This is it for your kit.